So hello guys, I finished building my house. It's very painful and let's go inside. Let me tour you to my house. Oh shit. As in, this is our living room. Mm. Now this is my bedroom. It's like tiny table and this is the bedroom. It's like I built it so that I have a house. So there's some cake in here, so party and lunch. So let's go here, guys. Oh no! What did you do, Fred? What did you do? Now this is my riches, the famous riches. Now this is my private bedroom. So that's all, guys.